Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today I'm going to explain that how you can apply and how you can get a scholarship at Mcgill University and at the Department of Civil Engineering. It is located in Mcgill University. So first of all, you will search in Google the Mcgill University Canada Civil Engineering. You will click on the civil engineering link there. Now you are interested in graduate studies, so you will click on the graduate studies here. In the graduate programs, you can see that Doctor of Philosophy or PhD program is available, Master of Science, MSc by Research, where you will conduct a research project, Master of Engineering, MEng non-thesis option is also available here at Mcgill University, which we discussed in Western University as well. So program requirements: Master of Science, 15 credits of coursework you need to conduct, and different thesis options are given here. MEng, which is a non-thesis program, it's also available now in environmental engineering. So you can read these options depending upon your interest. If you're interested in course-based masters, or if you are interested in research-based masters, and if you have completed master's degree and you are interested in Doctor of Philosophy, so you can apply to these graduate programs. Now coming to the admission requirements. So the academic qualifications requirement is 3 out of possibly 4 in a recognized system. So you need to have a 3 CGPA out of 4 CGPA. Now the proficiency in English is also desired at Mcgill University, and you will see different tests. Minimum TOEFL score on the internet based test is 94 overall and no less than 20 in each of the 4 component areas. Now at Western University, the minimum band score of IELTS was 6.5 overall and no less than 6.0, but here at Mcgill University you can clearly see that it's the minimum band score of 7 is required, with no less than 6.0 for each of the listening, reading and writing and speaking section. Now you must meet both of these requirements to be eligible to apply. Now the satisfaction of these minimum requirements does not guarantee admission. Why they are saying that? The reason behind the research-based programs is that you need to convince a faculty member in order to get a scholarship so that they can pay tuition fee for you. Now application procedures: you need to apply online. An online application is available on this link. You submit it electronically, pay the application fee by the credit card. Now 2 reference letters are required, so the sample is also given here. You must meet the English proficiency requirements. A current CV, which is very important, should contain an updated list of publications, and a list of extracurricular activities should also be attached to the application. GRE is not required, but it is highly recommended here. Application deadlines: January 15th for the September intake and August 1st for the January or winter intake. You can send them email to get the status of your application. Now as I mentioned earlier on, that the most important part of your application would be contacting your supervisor. So you can find these faculty members if you click on the people tab here. So list of supervisors are given. You click on each and every one just to see that in which areas or in which field they are conducting research. So once you select your supervisor, then you can send them email and attach your CVs, transcripts, so that they can evaluate your documents. Okay. Now, what are the areas of specialization which are available at McGill University? So there are various areas, and the main areas are environmental engineering, water resource management, fluid mechanics, hydraulic engineering, geotechnical and geoenvironmental engineering is also available at McGill University. Structural engineering and construction materials and transportation engineering is available as well. Now, the research activities for various fields are available. You can read in detail whatever interests you the most. For example, if it's geotech, so you can read more about the geotechnical engineering, or you can click here as well, so you will get the details of the geomechanics and geotechnical or geoenvironmental engineering. So different types of research is conducted, and the researchers are also available here, so you can contact the supervisor that we are interested in this area. So just share your CV and transcripts and they will definitely get back to you. Financial assistance is also available here. Now, financial support to qualified graduate students available in the form of fellowships, research assistantships, teaching assistantships, bursaries and loans. Fellowships and research assistantships are awarded competitively based on the academic excellence. Now, the academic excellence means that you have a good CGPA and you have a good publication record. So when you send an email to your supervisor, and they will assess your standing there, and they will guide and they will advise you for the application. You will be considered for Mcgill Fellowships, the research assistantships and teaching assistantships described below within the department. So there are various scholarships, assistantships are given in detail here, so you can please read all these information. Different grants are available. These are the external fellowships, usually restricted to Canadian citizens or permanent residents. Amount of award also given. University graduate faculty fellowships are also available. Exchange fellowships and their report is also mentioned here. So there are a bunch of and list of awards and scholarship available. So please kindly feel free to click on either of these links there, and you can get and access all this information. Thank you very much for listening very patiently. Now, if you have any question, you can leave a comment there and I will try to answer each and every question. Thank you very much.